Hello, this is the Artifact Review 2 for Project 5 Trynkit. Our first sprint started October the 6th and it lasts until today, October the 26th. It was a 3-week long sprint and we had many goals that we wanted to accomplish. For our goals, we wanted to complete the UI for our code editor. We wanted to have functionality to some of the buttons. We wanted to have port forwarding so that the application ran on an HTTPS server, and we wanted to have some of the syntax highlighting for the MicroPython code to be in the editor. So for our UI, we have our buttons here on the left side. We have a create project button, save, load, devices, settings, and serial. So of our buttons, all of them except for the devices and the settings have functionality in them so far. When you click on the create, it'll bring up a pop-up dialog which will allow you to name your file. You hit OK or cancel. So name it, let's just do test.py. And when you save, it'll save the file locally into your downloads folder. And load, when you hit load, you can go and search for a file, the test.py, and import the codes directly into the editor. And when it imports into the editor, it will automatically highlight the syntax for that code. So we'll get rid of that for right now. When you click on the serial console button, it will show the console, and it is editable, so you can type in it right now and hide it. When you bring it back, it still has the characters that you typed before. We have functionality to have multiple tabs at the top of our code editor. So if you hit the little plus button, you can keep adding tabs for that you can type in code for each one of the tabs. So if we have do tab 0, tab 1, switch back to tab 0, it has the dialog that you typed into the tab. On the syntax highlighting, we were able to incorporate highlighting for the MicroPython keywords, numbers, comments, and strings. So if you type in keywords like import, from, if, else, for, any MicroPython keyword like that, it will highlight it in purple for now. And like a non-keyword like test, it will go back to your regular black. When you type in a number, it will highlight it in orange. So you type in 13, it's orange, 12, any long string of numbers, it will highlight it in orange. If you want to do a single line comment in Python, it starts with a hash key. So if you do a comment, it will change it to red. Even at the end of a string of code, you can do a comment, or if it's a beginning, any comment will do. It will be red. When you type in a string that is surrounded in double quotes, so if we do like print, this is a string, it will change it to green. So far this is what we have for our first sprint. I hope you enjoyed our presentation. Thank you.